Throughout 2021, Jamaica continued to show positive signs of recovering stronger from the economic fallout caused by the pandemic. The Ministry of Industry, Investment and Commerce played a part in that growth by providing support to the sectors for them to work efficiently amidst the crisis.
As government, it is our responsibility to ensure that the various wheels of all our productive sectors are turning.
Opportunities were made readily available for micro, small and medium-sized enterprises, MSMEs. Through a grant from the International Labour Organization, the Jamaica Business Development Corporation was able to facilitate more than 100 informal MSME operators in formalizing their operations.
One of the consequences of becoming a formal business is that you will have access to cheaper money to make your business more competitive.
The JBDC also signed a Memorandum of Understanding with Sagicor Bank to assist SMEs with their business development strategies through the Sagicor Bank Resource Center.
It's a very strategic partnership, but I want to congratulate Sagicor because small businesses turn into large businesses.
Government also provided MSMEs with $675 million in loans to help them rebound and grow. This was facilitated by the Jamaica National Small Business Loan and the Exim Bank.
This loan facility and the associated support services being unveiled can only be accessed by registered businesses.
Financial support also came from the Development Bank of Jamaica, amounting to $3 billion to help with the economic recovery from COVID-19. The Credit Enhancement Program also continued in 2021 with a $440 million budget, which saw MSMEs benefiting from 86 bank guarantees. The Bureau of Standards launched a client services program to promote the international competitiveness of Jamaican producers through business development and trade.
I applaud the management and staff of the Bureau of Standards on the creation of this program, which so far has provided over 70 clients with advisory services and technical assistance. These clients are from various stakeholder groups, including MSMEs, government, and academia.
The topic of accreditations and certifications was also a top priority for the ministry. Through the Jamaica National Agency for Accreditation, JANAC, several entities were accredited to execute COVID-19 testings.
JANAC's international recognition for the accreditation of medical and testing labs will provide the assurance that the results generated by these entities can be trusted.
In 2021, several entities received ISO 9001:2015 certification.
In this pandemic era, the rules of engagement for business have shifted, and the certification will boost your marketability and help you stand out in an increasingly competitive marketplace where only the strong survive.
The Ministry of Industry, Investment and Commerce providing support and opportunities for Jamaica to recover stronger together.